As you can see here, this is Acer Predator Triton 300. It's a flagship gaming laptop from Acer. One of the great machine, but recently we do have issue with the screen. So screen doesn't work. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the screen if you do have an issue. By the way, first of all, we're going to start from the screen, even we are trying to replace it. So what you're going to do here, first, we're going to close it. Flip the laptop, take out all the screw to remove the back panel. Once you remove the back panel, before you touch any part of the motherboard, we're going to disconnect the battery. Once we disconnect the battery, we are safe to do. We can come back to the screen, pull the front bezel off, remove a couple of adhesive tape from the left and right hand side, which is underneath the screen. And then screen should come off. We're going to disconnect the screen connector, replace with the new screen, and then we can reconnect the battery, put the back cover on, and everything should be fine. So let's go back to the plan. So back cover is removed. Now we're going to disconnect the battery connector, which is right here. So first let's take the fabric tape off, and then on the left hand side, the red one is the battery connector. Just gently remove it. It might take a few minutes to do that if this is first time. Bezel. Alright, so what you're going to do now, we can see right here there is a strip, okay, that's the one, and on the left hand side also another strip. So both of them we need to take out, and then we're going to just fold the screen and the screen should come up. Alright, so what are you going to do now, we're going to put the tweezers on like this. It's pretty hard to, yeah.